very big link chains, and big ropes do nothing. He just has this force behind him, and he can just snap stuff like nothing. But these cloth leashes that, you push the button and it lets it in and out. He doesn't snap them, and I mean, I've had him being attacked by Rottweilers and even a coyote, and he did not snap this. Now, mind you, I got more of the damage than he did, because what do? Well, I jump in and protect him. And the coyote story, that was a bad one. I got quite a few bites and scratches and claws from that one. And the coyote was trying to lead him away, and I don't know if that was the pack mentality, like he was a scout and he was trying to bring him back to the pack, or if he was sick and they kicked him out of the pack. I don't know, but Coop went back after him, and he was trying to lead Coop back into the woods deeper. And then when he seen me coming, well, he attacked Cooper. So I attacked him. And so I took a bite in the leg and one in the hand, and some nice, this way, bud, come on. Come on. Yeah, and some nice ones, nice claw marks and stuff, but anyway, I beat the coyote off him and helped him out. And then one of those big